This is Lego SOW. It's a 2-pound replica of the 250-pound robot on the show BattleBots, and I built it to be as functionally identical to the counterpart on the television show. This robot was supposed to debut at BrickCon, the Lego convention in Vancouver, and BrickCon, the Lego convention in Seattle in 2020, although due to the current international crisis, I don't believe that this robot is going to see any fighting until the year 2021. One of the reasons I decided to build Son of Whyachi was as a challenge to myself. I'm sure, as any of you know, that Lego has a lot of compression strength, but when you start to pull it in different directions, it's not so strong. Because Son of Whyachi's weapon bar sits on top of the robot, the biggest challenge was making sure that it could stay attached to the frame of the robot. Let's go over the weapon. It's the classic Whyachi design tri-bar. It's got 3 points of contact. It spins at about 1140 RPM, and it's got a diameter of 40 centimeters. It weighs 272 grams, and I calculated the energy to be about 24 joules. It's attached to the body through an axle that's braced with a series of pulley wheels. As you can see here, there's a port for them to sit, and it's quite strong. It's not going to move if it gets hit vertically. Let's go over the drivetrain of the weapon. It consists of 2 L motors situated here and here. The gear ratio is 1 to 4.2. And as you can see here, I run it through a differential gear for each motor. That's to be able to direct the rotation going this way to this way. And it's also got a dead axle on the opposite side here, running into here, to act as a sort of slip clutch to keep the motors from overheating if it stalls. Now, because I have to make sure that this robot stays within the 2-pound weight limit, it's, as you can tell, quite a bit more bare bones on the structure than the actual Son of Whyachi. There's quite a few holes and negative space here and there. But because you're running such a powerful weapon, I didn't really see it necessary to armor this robot that much. The drivetrain is again a pair of L motors here and here, and that gets fed directly into the front wheels, and a chain drives the back wheels. My power source for this robot is a third-party module called a Boowiz. I decided to use this over anything that Lego has due to it being a lithium-ion battery Bluetooth combo. It delivers a lot more power than anything that Lego has, and it allows me to run this blade at a much higher speed, much more consistently before any of the built-in current protection kicks in. So let me do a demonstration of the weapon speed of Son of Whyachi. You could tell it was a little unbalanced. That's because it took a bit of damage during testing. I have yet to figure out how to rebalance it. But it shouldn't be too difficult to fix. That was Lego Son of Whyachi. Thank you for watching.